How to use codes in Archero 2. Hi everyone, welcome back to Crazy Gamer. If you are an Archero 2 and wondering how to use redemption code, then here's how you do it. First of all, launch open a web browser on your device, whichever device you're using, and then type in redeem Archero 2 codes and search. Now, look for this Archero Heavy Store option from the very top. Just click on that link and you'll be taken to this Heavy Store page where you can enter your gift code at the bottom. Go ahead and write down your gift code in the text box. Make sure that your redemption code is correct. I'm just typing in some random letters over here. This is not the correct code for your information. I'm just typing in something random over here. Just type in your gift code in this text box exactly as it appears and click on submit. If the code is correct, then you'll be able to redeem your code. You may be asked to enter your user ID, so you can get back to your Archero 2 game and click on the menu button at the top left and select settings. Here you'll find your user ID, just copy that, and whenever prompted inside the redemption page, you can type it down and your gift code will be redeemed. Remember that redemption codes are case sensitive and many of them expire after a limited time. Enter each code exactly as provided and redeem it as soon as possible before it expires. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.